Why study history? One of the most common questions that I've gotten as a teacher is, why do we have to learn this? And so I wanted to spend some time and go over some of the reasons why I think history is a useful subject. This video, we're going to go over the historical thinking skill of contextualization. Or to put it another way, what does it all mean? Typically, when people think about history, what they think about is learning names, dates, places. This is otherwise known as facts, and facts are certainly important. It is useful to know things like the Normans invaded England in the year 1066 AD. However, what history really is trying to understand what those facts actually mean. How do we do that? The historical thinking skill of contextualization. According to the College Board, this means the ability to connect historical events and processes to specific circumstances of time and place, as well as broader regional, national, or global processes. Now that is a very book teacher definition, and it might not be terribly meaningful to you right now. So let's look at an example here. I'm going to show you a short video, and I want you to think about what the fact that you saw in this video is. So what is the fact that we just saw? The fact is that the person on the right hand of the video punched the person on the left hand of the video. Just knowing that fact, we might think that the person on the right is aggressive, maybe is a jerk. I'm not sure. We could draw all sorts of conclusions from that one single fact. But let's now take a moment here and let me show you something that happened before the video that we just watched happened. And let's add some context to what you just saw.
I want you to do me a favor.
Yeah, sure.
I want you to hit me as hard as you can.
What?
I want you to hit me as hard as you can.
So having now seen these events that happened before the first fact that we witnessed, I think your opinion of the person on the right, the person who threw the punch, is completely different than what it was when you just had the fact that the person on the right punched the person on the left. And this is really where we get into why history is useful. There are more facts out in the world right now than you or any other human being on this planet could possibly ever know. And furthermore, we have this wonderful tool known as Google that exists, and Google will always be better at memorizing facts than you will. However, the thing that you as a human being can do vastly better than any computer in the world right now is understanding what those facts mean, finding the connections between them, and trying to understand why things are the way they are. And that comes from trying to contextualize material, trying to contextualize events. And if you can do this, it makes you a better, smarter human being.